show you what you're missing.
And that is just awesome. Oh, there I go, down to hell.
Sir, can you spell economy?
Of course. A?
Fly me to. Let me sing along the stars.
Oh, shorty got them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur,
Thank you for the £1. I'm gonna read these before we
Currently
start.
at my uncle's funeral, but I can't stop that Jack Manifold grind. It don't stop.
Gonna do some yoga, bad. No! Language!
You can be my Valentine if you want, George.
No, I don't think so.
Please don't hurt me!
I look like a badass. No one can mess with me now.
Or a Fortnite streamer.
What?
Let me show you what you're missing.
Again, roast him. You're ugly. You're dumb. You're stupid. You're small.
Would a pussy be able to walk like this?
Poggers. Oh, that's Poggers. That's
dead.
That's not Poggers.
This is so bad, dream.
George? I'll just sleep for like 12 hours, wake up, eat food for 12 hours, go to sleep, and I was like, what the heck's happening to me, man? So I looked it up on the internet, and as it turns out, I'm pregnant.
The dog goes bark, the chicken goes cock, and the cat goes meow. Feeling stupid, falling back to you. So I cross my heart and I hope to die. This one's for bad boy Halo. Why you have lice in your head? Why you got lice in your head? Bad boy Halo, you should clean your hair. Cause lice is dangerous. My aunt got lice and she died. My uncle got lice and he died. My grandma got lice and she lived. But she lived a really licey life.
Stop looking at me. 5, 6, 7, 8. I got hair and clean underwear. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Don't forget this pain and regret, so I can learn from the tragedy and change the course of this history. Move through time, oh yeah. Don't overlook the signs, oh yeah. Oh oh. Now I see, oh yeah. It's my responsibility. Turn back time, oh oh. Gonna hit rewind and find that all these memories, discoveries, these fantasies, they stay with me. Turn back time, oh oh. Gonna hit rewind, remember all the
And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. You ready?
Money ain't a thing, come somewhere like LeBron now. Hold it, order me another round. Homie, we about to clown. Why? Cause it's about to go down.
I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said you're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air. Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I...
Done with your cake. This is the Shazam cake.
Oh my god. Fucking hell.
Do you do anything? You took one. Blueberries, blueberries.
Oh no!
Well, Tom, if you look behind you quickly.
What the fuck? It didn't take my fucking meds. Hyper pop up in my ears. Just disappears. Don't wanna be someone else. Just don't wanna hate myself. Just don't wanna hate myself. Instead, I wanna feel good. I'm on a sugar crash. I ain't gonna fuck.
George, it's yours. Well, guess what? Does George send you these kinds of messages? Does George call you at 2:30 in the morning, Dream? Does George call you at fuck you, George. So, George, do not post that. Do not post that. That was a different situation, okay? George, that's not a representation of my character. I'm dealing with Dream right now, okay? Does George call you 4 times? Missed calls by any chance, Dream? Does George...
You need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you could be the one to make me feel something.
Anyways, people are asking me to do the WAP, which stands for worship and prayer. Guys, I do the WAP every single day, night. I do it 24/7. The WAP, I do it 24/7. Even when I'm with family. Even when I'm with family and we're about to have dinner all together, I do the WAP. When I'm in church, I do the WAP. When I get an Uber ride for my own safety, I do the WAP. It's super cool. It's super awesome. I do the WAP all the time. The worship and prayer. It's what I do best, chat. It's what I do best. It's just you know how it be sometimes. Anyways.
Stranger. George. Oh, shut up. Jesus Christ. Good morning. Did I stutter? Stupid bitch.
They demand blood. But yo, you were right.
I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge. But when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been freaking me out. I run do it till the morning.
Party, party, party. Pass me a cup, I'll take a shot to the head like yada, 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 yada. You wanna take me home, put me in a bed and feel my body, body, body.
I'm pulling up with an emo chick that's broken. This that college dropout music. Every day like that she be addicted. My friends are all annoying, but we go dumb, yeah, we go stupid.
I'm not very good at building, so I'm gonna need some inspiration.
Me and the boys going to kill Jay Schlatt.
Callahan's gonna help us. Callahan's gonna help us.
Holy
Is it? Whoa!
Wait, what?
And I want to kind of combine it with like a mushroom aesthetic.
Oh god, help, help!
Wilbur was shot by Jay Schlatt using bow. Okay.
You're pushing him back.
I think that's good.
Kill that person!
What are they doing? What kind of war? What do you mean? I'm just building a house.
What?
What is going on? Oh my god.
It's meant to be!
Tommy is the president. Why? They blew up Lamamberg?
We're okay. Chaos! What happened to your own speed?
Both here. Take
Oh
him down,
my
Carl.
god. Everyone is gonna die and no one is gonna remember you, so... Fuck it.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. Yeah, I can't stop myself from looking and noticing you, noticing me. Watch out.
This is a message for Tommy Innit. You may have 10 million subscribers on YouTube. You may be one of the fastest growing channels on Twitch, but I have something you will never have. I have the Queen of England following me. Oh, the Queen of England. Oh my god! That's right. Lizzie has entered my chat.
I love spicy food, and then I start eating, and then I don't like it anymore, and then I hate it.
Are you ready?
Grab your wing, baby.
What do you say?
Here we go.
Wait, what did he say though? Grab your wing, what?
What is it? What?
What did he call me?
Well, it's like... You're making this weird.
What did he say?
You're making this really weird.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah. Tell me when to stop.
Now!
Huh?
Stop!
Huh?
Stop!
Sorry, what?
Stop!
Sorry?
Stop! No, actually, stop!
I didn't hear you. You're just that far away.
Oh, I gotta let you go. You'll be better off in someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I say goodbye. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking